Hi everyone, welcome to Kalanjam Tutorials. In this video, we'll learn about Python operators. So Python operator having 7 types: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, identity operators, membership operators. And we'll learn about first arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponent. So we'll have a practical examples for arithmetic operators. So we'll create one more file, arithmetic operators. Click on it, new Python file. Otherwise, we'll create a operators file name created. So we'll have first for addition. So we'll declare integer variables. So variables, if you are giving without double quotes, it will consider as an integer. If you are giving with single quotes or double quotes, it will consider as a string. So we'll give num1 equal to 20 and num2 equal to 10. Now you can print what is num1 comma, it automatically comes in the intelligence. So now you can run the program. So it runs by default application wise, so we have to change it. So go and run, change it to operators. So now you run, you will get the value of 20. So we'll have a addition here. Okay, so print num1 plus num2. You can provide in the quotation. So give comma. So this will give the addition. So now you run the program and check. So you will be getting num1 plus num2 equal to 30. So same way we'll give it for subtraction and multiplication and division. Okay, copy, paste it. Subtraction minus, here minus, into, here also into, division and division. Now you run the program and you can see the output of it. Num1 divided by num2, 2 point. So here you are having the values for arithmetic operators. We have two more operators for arithmetic. One is modulus and one more is exponent. So we'll have an exponent. So we'll add it. Exponent is a double star, you will get it. So it's a power of, otherwise we used to call in the max, so square. So we'll have it square. So now you run the program. So this is the value. Okay. So again, we have a modulus function. So modulus function, it's nothing but it's a percentage. So modulus function will divided by, so and will give the remaining the values. Suppose, so I have a 5 modulus 2. Here you can put 5 percentage of modulus of 2. So this will return, see, 5 divided by 2. So it's 2 times of 2 is 4. We have remaining 1. So value is 1. The result is 1. So this is what modulus does. Thanks for watching the video, and please do share, comment, like and subscribe for more videos.